What is up?
Double A gang. Oh, she was doing it. Y'all missed her in it. Today, we're going to be doing
You trying to walk over there? That's what you want to do?
a mini Wendys mukbang. Come on, let's do a thumbnail, y'all.
Come on.
Ayla. Say hi, mommy. Yeah, she said hi. Okay, so today, for my drink, I got this sweet tea.
And I got that, you know, that strawberry.
And we're gonna be eating and answering these questions that y'all asked us on Instagram. So, cause we didn't get no Q&A update. Did we get the same burger?
Nah, you got a double stacker.
So I'm gonna lay my food out. I don't know what you waiting on.
I was waiting on you so we can be.
Okay, let me go to these questions, y'all. It's right here. So, about to get into it.
Perfect.
I'm writing in Jesus' name and pray, amen. Okay. So, first question, how y'all meet?
You want to start off?
So, basically, if y'all didn't know, we basically met, like, we didn't even meet.
We didn't.
We basically got put on with each other. Y'all know how.
Yeah, like.
We basically got put on with each other by our siblings.
No cap, our siblings put us on, bro.
Literally. Okay. How do y'all balance being parents and still having a life?
Shit. I mean, you done got used to it, like.
Yeah.
Like, if we going out, shit, my kids, baby, too. Fuck it. Like,
And we just do, like, kid-friendly stuff. And make it fun as for adults.
You feel me?
Like, but in reality, though, we really don't go out.
Bro, we don't. Because we really have fun at the house, though.
Yeah.
No cap. Family shit.
You know, laughing, watch a movie. Just the basics. Yeah, now you pick a question.
Okay, so they say, how long y'all been together? Ooh,
So, in June this year, it will make 2 years that we've been together.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell y'all for real, we went on our first date like on the 17th.
Yeah.
I think it was like the 17th or the 17th or the 16th. One of them days, my nephew, my brother called me. And goddamn, my nephew had a little football practice there.
Yeah, and then we had went to that place. If y'all ain't checked that video out when we went to the lake, that was our first actual.
That was our first actual date.
But yeah, that's really. Yeah, that's how long we've been together. So we basically been together for a year, going on 2 years. What's your favorite color?
Mine's blue and pink.
Mine's is just purple, basic purple. But I like yellow too, but if we want to say one color, purple. Dream life.
My dream life? Oh, shit. First, I want to be, me personally. Only reason why I said I want to be the man, I want to be the man, to help my kids. If I can help my kids, become anything in the world, anything, bro, anything, you know, I'm gonna make sure they get that, like, no cap. And it's not about what they want, it's about how they can start their career and stuff. And a lot of things, like, I want to be like what you want to call it, they entrepreneur. Yeah. I want to start some stuff this year. Like, I just got goals and shit. I'm trying to manifest some shit, a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? We trying to manifest a lot of stuff together. We trying to do stuff together, you feel me? Like, we got a lot, you feel me, coming and growing. Especially with this YouTube, you know what I'm saying? We definitely finna start dropping, like, just keeping it straight raw with y'all for real. So, like, you know what I'm saying?
Nobody's life perfect.
Nobody's life perfect.
Our life is not perfect.
We don't do no judging.
Right. My dream life, I basically I see myself doing YouTube also. Like he said, being an entrepreneur, having my own business type thing. And also giving my kids the life they want. You know, like, they don't never have to act like we did, or they gonna know what it's like to work hard for it, but not bad or acts, you know, or struggling. That's what I want.
What's the best thing that happened to you? What's the best thing that happened to you?
I ain't gonna lie. My daughter. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's a different type of feeling having your own kids. Like, just having another person you could spoil besides yourself. And also somebody you know that loves you unconditionally. Like, that's really the best thing. For real, for real.
No matter what it is.
That's really the best thing. Okay. You know, her love can't amount to nobody, like, can't compare to nobody else's love. So, what about you?
Sure.
She eat everything but her nugget.
The best thing that happened to me was my kids. I mean, all four of them.
Y'all, what's y'all likes? What you mean by likes? Like, do you mean like, yeah, what you mean by likes? Like, what we like about each other? Or what we like? But I'm just gonna answer both. My likes, or, well, I'm gonna start with what I like about him. He put his family first no matter what. You know, his intimate family, he put us first no matter what. And he's like, you know, we done been through some stuff together and he ain't never left. So that's what I like about him.
What I like about her, yeah. She a grinder, like she made boss moves, like, I mean, boss moves, straight boss moves, like, it's like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I can't even count. It's an honor and pleasure to have a woman like you. Because you're not gonna get too many of them, bro, especially an everyday go-getter. And not only that, if y'all come from, like, a situation and shit, and goddamn, y'all trying to get out of it. Hey, look. Get here. Trying to bite me.
It's okay. Here. We didn't want you to choke.
I'm sorry, baby. I had to get that out your throat. You trying to swallow the whole damn chicken nugget.
What has changed you since being a mom? Honestly, my whole life has changed since being a mom. I ain't gonna say my whole life, but, like, the way I gotta go by things now, like, I gotta make sure my kid's straight before I do anything. So I can't say, yeah, my whole life has changed me. What has changed you since being a dad?
Everything. Like, when you realize like you got little girls like to raise and like a little fella to raise too, like you gonna realize like that maturity like gonna kick in. Like you can't be on that tight time like how you was back in the day, like partying and shit. Fuck a club. Like, I don't even go out. I'm not judging nobody or nothing, but fuck a club with me.
Facts. Okay. Any trips planned?
Yep. Definitely got some trips, man.
Stay tuned. That's all I can tell y'all is stay motherfucking tuned because we definitely got some trips. We actually got one coming up soon. Actually, it's a trip and it's a moving trip, so stay tuned. Hey, y'all. Well, we got a moving trip coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And then we got a trip coming for his birthday, so y'all stay tuned for that. 2023 goals.
We definitely getting a house this year.
Definitely. If y'all watched our home apartment tour, you know we're in like a 1-bedroom right now. So just stay tuned, but we're finna be moving into like a little 2-bedroom little home. So stay tuned for that because don't get beat up. Stay tuned for that because I'm really excited for that. Like, just it's gonna be a new adventure.
House, cars.
Yeah, and keep going with this YouTube stuff.
Definitely that, and starting our own businesses.
Definitely. Okay, now last but not least, the question that we saved for last. We ain't gonna really go into depth about this because we're gonna do a separate video on that. But idea for baby number 2. So to inform y'all, we do have a name for baby number 2, but we ain't gonna go into more details about that because y'all just gotta stay tuned. Keep subscribing, like, comment. Just know 2023 is gonna be, for the next few months, it's gonna be eye openers, shocking, and we don't care who ain't with us, who don't like it, whatever, you get left, period. But yeah, y'all, so that's the end of this mukbang. Thank y'all for watching. Ayla, tell them bye bye.
Tell them bye bye, Ayla. Hold on.
He ate about this whole video. Thank y'all for watching. I hope we answered and summed up some of y'all questions. Look at her. Say bye-bye.
She come out reaching.
Say bye-bye. Yeah, say bye-bye. Yeah. All right, we'll catch y'all on the next mukbang or video. Peace. Also, comment down below things y'all want to see of us. Now that we are at 1K, we're going to try to give y'all more videos. So comment things y'all want to see of us, and we'll see y'all next video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
She gonna knock us over. Oh.